brought the floating head.
No, put it back the other way. It was cute. It's our little Smurf.
You have to stand on her head.
You're gonna have a Russian Smurf. He's gonna have a little accident right now. It's gonna come out the wrong end.
Not funny!
Come on, Papa Smurf.
This is gonna be a new YouTube sensation.
Stand on her head. Borscht. And your breath doesn't do shit.
That's like a first time, like I never had them before.
Ever? You never had hiccups?
Well, when I was a kid, but like this is like first time when like, I don't know, 20 years.
Someone get lube on the phone.
Holding your breath doesn't help.
Drink water upside down. If anything, it'll be good for the film. A tablespoon of vinegar.
Put your right arm up and tickle your stomach with your other arm, and that'll make you go. You have to tickle.
Oh, there you go.
Never gonna go away.
We'll just have to get yes. Okay, let's play.
Yeah, you guys have a distinct advantage.
I think we should play.
Okay, let's play.
He can't look at us.
You wanna play on the same